spreading over 2.5 acres in area and complemented with a beautified infrastructure full of greenery is how one can define Arikul Group of Colleges. The fruits of a tree shows the strength of its roots. Similarly, the success of Arikul College can be determined with the managing director of the college, Mr. Sashakt Singh, who is a complete persona of dedication, devotion and perfection.
आरिकुल कॉलेज की स्थापना वर्ष 2007 में की गई थी। इनिशियली हम लोगों ने पहले जब प्लान किया था तो ये सोचा था कि यहाँ पे एक बहुत बढ़िया इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज स्थापित किया जाए और उसकी स्थापना का उद्देश्य ये था कि बेसिक एजुकेशन बच्चों को बहुत बढ़िया दी जा सके। ये बहुत ही पिछड़ा हुआ एक ग्रामीण इलाका था जिसमें किसी भी तरह के भवन, किसी भी तरह की औद्योगिक एक्टिविटी या किसी तरह की अच्छी शैक्षणिक एक्टिविटी का पूरी तरह से अभाव था।
इस क्षेत्र से हमारा जुड़ाव सन 1962 से था, लेकिन ये कोई इस तरीके का काम यहाँ मैंने देखा आसपास में कोई ऐसा स्कूल या विद्यालय नहीं थे, ना कोई ऐसा शिक्षा सदन था।
College provides a range of academic offerings both at undergraduate and postgraduate levels, coupled with its unique garden as a reminder of the value of nature and our positive and clean environment. Throwing some light on the academic courses we offer, B.Pharm, D.Pharm and M.Pharm are the courses in the field of pharmacy, whereas MBA in the field of management. Not just this, in the field of education, we offer courses like BCom, BBA, BJMC, MJMC, B.Ed and DLEd. Talking at length about the facilities this college offers, we firstly have experienced faculty members for all the courses with their expertise in their defined subjects, which helps the students to undergo a wide spectrum of knowledge. Their hard work, dedication and patience helps the student resolve any problem and query related to their courses in the best possible ways. A friendly classroom environment where the students can not just share the knowledge but also their innovative ideas is what they are good at creating. The modern library of the college has a collection of thousands of books related to various topics so that the students can easily access them to understand the topics and subjects without the hassle of buying it from outside. The complete book bank, keeping in mind the need of the course, is also provided to each and every student. Throwing some more light on the facilities Arikul Group of Colleges offers, it has an audio-visual lab and recording studio with state-of-the-art facilities for the students of BJMC where, under the guidance of skilled instructors, the students learn the basic as well as proficient technicalities, making them ready to deal with the expectations and requirements of the corporate world. Making the campus secure, all internal and external activities are monitored with the help of more than 100 CCTV cameras on every nook and corner of the campus.
हमने बिल्कुल एक नवीन क्षेत्र चुना, फार्मेसी, क्योंकि उस समय ही हमें लगा था कि फार्मा ऐसा एक फील्ड है जिसमें ना सिर्फ बच्चा अपना करियर बना सकता है बहुत कम समय में, बल्कि साथ ही साथ रिसर्च और अन्य एक्टिविटी के द्वारा समाज की बहुत अच्छी सेवा कर सकता है। हमने फार्मेसी से 2007 में शुरुआत की और उसके बाद फिर मैनेजमेंट, उसके बाद फिर जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन और इन सब कोर्सेज़ को हम जोड़ते चले गए, जिससे कि इस पूरे क्षेत्र में बच्चों को वो सारे कोर्स जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में कभी नहीं मिलते हैं, जो बिल्कुल ठेठ शहरी क्षेत्र के कोर्स माने जाते हैं, वो स्थापित हुए। इसी सब उद्देश्यों को लेकर ये संस्थान स्थापित हुआ है और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संख्या में यहाँ पे आएँ, इसका लाभ उठाएं। मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ। इस विद्यालय में आके आप बिल्कुल ये मान के चलें कि आपका जीवन आपको कहाँ पहुँचा देगा, इसकी कोई भी लिमिट नहीं है। इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि बच्चों, पढ़ाई, अभिभावकों से भी कहता हूँ कि शिक्षा एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जो आपको जीवन में जहाँ पहुँचाएगा, उसके लिए कोई लिमिट नहीं, जिसके लिए कहा जाता है स्काई इज़ द लिमिट। आपका स्वागत है, आइए आर्यकुल में और आर्यकुल का लाभ उठाइए।
हमारे 2 बालक दोनों ने MBA किया लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी से, जिसके बाद उनको ये चूज़ करना था कि इसके आगे क्या करें। एक बालक ने तुरंत NGO सेक्टर पकड़ लिया और दूसरे ने, क्योंकि वो NGO हमारे पास एक पहले से स्थापित थी, रजिस्टर्ड थी। दूसरे बालक ने पहले सर्विस चॉइस किया, वो जापान चला गया। जापान से 1-1.5 साल के बाद लौट करके यहाँ है तो कहा कि पापा, हम सोचते हैं कि यहाँ पर कुछ इस तरीके का काम किया जाए जो कि लोगों को जिससे बहुत फ़ायदा हो। तो नटकुर में चूँकि ये ज़मीन थी तो उसने सोचा कि यहाँ पर सबसे बढ़िया यही है कि कोई एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट खोला जाए जिससे कि अधिक से अधिक लोग लाभान्वित हों, और वो सोच करके आर्यकुल कॉलेज की स्थापना की गई।
Students from all across the state are a part of Aryakul group of colleges. We strongly believe in unity in diversity. To facilitate the learning process more effectively, we realize that it is important for you to be comfortable in clean and hygienic environment, especially when it comes to sharing everything with the people whom you will be meeting for the first time. For this, we provide hostel facility to the students, making them comfortable with the feeling of home away from home. Clean and purified drinking water, carefully planned menu with variety in food, separate dining hall, airy rooms with furniture, medical facilities and television is all that we provide here at our hostels. Apart from regular classes, there is a place where we all share the ideas, joys, sorrows, gossips and whatnot. Yes, the place is cafeteria. We at Aryakul College has a compact cafeteria with all the basic necessities where students sit together and enjoy the togetherness. All the students of Aryakul College are divided into 4 houses, namely Takshila, Nalanda, Vallabhi and Ujjain, where they wear blue, yellow, green and red t-shirt in accordance with their flag. They can easily be identified with different uniforms. Every Thursday is meant for house meetings where the students of different houses assemble and share their ideas and talents, making it enjoyable and fun-filled. Apart from Aryakul College Lucknow, its branches is successfully being operated in Sitapur and Raebareli. The Sitapur branch is exactly situated at village Jajor, post Manwa, Tehsil Sidhauli, district Sitapur. The another branch at Raebareli is situated in village post Sehengo Paschim, Tehsil Maharajganj, district Raebareli. Arikul College is not only known for its excellent education but also for its social concerns. Since the establishment of the college is contributing its part for the welfare of society. Inspired by the campaign of the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, 60 girls from Arikul College sung a song in the Lucknow Mahotsav and made headlines. The song was solemnly recorded by the students of Arikul Group of Colleges. We believe not just in classroom teaching, but a complete transformation of students, making them ready to deal with the outside competitive world. The college takes immense pride in declaring its continuous efforts for the improvement in every possible way. Arikul College is a budding tree in the field of education, as it does not only believe in quality education but also in quality of life of every individual associated with its Arikul family.